welcome to Mommy and Me Portrait Studios with our kid video series where we come to create, imagine, and discover. My name is Gabrielle, and today we are going to be making what is called a button snake. So this is for little kids to learn how to button with just a simple DIY toy. So what you will need today are 2 buttons, some ribbon, felt, a needle, thread, and some scissors. So this is super simple. I actually already cut out most of my felt pieces. I'm using felt because they are firm. They're going to be easier to use for little kids who don't necessarily have the best grip on things. They're not going to be super flexible, and they're not going to tear as easy. So I'm going to show you. They did come in a pack of about 6 different colors, I think, and it was only about $5 at Target. So super cheap, easy to use, easy to get. I'm going to start off, I just cut them in half, so I folded it in half and cut it, and did the same thing with each piece here, so I cut it into quarters. And then just line them up and cut off any excess so that they're all the same size. There we go. So we have our 4 felt pieces. And I'm going to show you how to cut the buttonholes. So what I did was I folded it in half, and then I just cut roughly in the center, a little ways up, and then cut just next to that. So it has just a little slit here. And then you take this and you cut it off. Just like that. We'll go ahead and do the rest of them. Okay, so I have my slits cut. Now the reason why I did the wider slits instead of just cutting it down is because I want them to be able to see the hole that they're putting the button into. Remember, this is for really little kids, so they're just learning this. And I do have bigger buttons, so it's easier for their little hands to use. What we are going to do next is we are going to take our ribbon. Now this is just some old ribbon that I had. I have probably had this for about 10 or so years, and I haven't used it yet, so now it's coming in handy. If you use the ribbed ribbon, it will actually work better because the ribbon is thicker and less likely to rip. So when we put it on here, I'm actually going to double it up. You can see that, because I want it to be secure. I don't want it to be easy to pull off. So grab your thread and loop it into your needle and just tie a knot at the end. Now when you're putting your ribbon onto your button, just start with the inside with the thread and loop it back through. That way we can tack down that fold in there, and then put your button in there. So the start is going to look like this, and then just go in and out. Alright, and once you are satisfied with how many times you've gone in and out and made sure that it feels secure, you are just going to end it by going in through here, and you don't want to go all the way through the button. So go through there, and then just loop it into some of your old stitches there, and we're going to tie a knot this way. So bring it in, and then loop it through. And repeat that about 2 or 3 times. All right, and repeat with the other side. right, and that's actually all it takes. So now you just loop your pieces in there, and it keeps them on there. So there we have our button snake. Now you can be really creative with this. You can have different colors and different shapes. You can do hearts and stars and triangles and things like that so that they can use this for many years to come. You can say, hey, grab that purple triangle, and you can help them learn that way. So thank you so much for joining us. If you have tried this out, comment down below and give us a heart, a comment, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for joining us, guys. I'm so glad you were here. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!